displacement map. So this is my brick map from before with the bump on there. You can see that kind of has a nice bump, but it is completely flat. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a displacement on there. Let's go to add modifier, displace, and we're going to click on new. And we need to choose the texture map. And in this case, we're going to use the same texture map as the brick bump map. So I can go here to this tab, click here, and I can go to brick B right here. And you're going to see it actually, displacement is different than the bump map. It actually creates geometry. Alright? And it's way too much right now, so now I need to go back, and I'm just going to make my, let's go 0.1. 0.1 looks pretty good. You can kind of see that it's like actually creating the geometry. I would actually say 0.05. 0.05 is maybe a little bit better because that was a bit too strong. But now, instead of it just being fake bump map, we actually have created real geometry just with a texture shader. One important thing that was different for this one and my bump map, so here's my bump map from before, is if you look at the wireframe for the brick wall that's bump only, it's just one face. Whereas here, I needed to add some texture to this. And the way that I added texture was pretty simple. I went here in edit mode, and I went to Command R, and I just added a huge amount of lines, edge loops, and then I did the same thing over here, Command R, and that's how I created all of this. And that's necessary so that the displacement can happen here. Go back here, and you see the displacement. Alright, so this one actually has that full displacement going on. And that's how you do a displacement map.